So good day viewers, welcome to another mathematics presentation. So in this presentation we are going to answer mathematics paper 1 for 2021. Specifically we are going to answer a question coming from functions. So the question reads, the function f and g are defined by fx is equal to x plus 9 over 2 and gx is equal to x minus 2. Find, so we are going to start with a, find function inverse of x. So to find the function inverse of x, we are going to take note of the function of x, fx, which is this one. Okay, so we have function of x equal to x plus 9 over 2. So to find the function inverse of this function, we are going to say we let fx to be equal to y. So where we have this fx, we are going to put a y. So we are going to say y equal to x plus 9 over 2. Then from here, you need to make x the subject of the formula. So on the right hand side, you have a fraction, and this is not a fraction. We can divide by 1, and we cross what? Multiply. So 1 times x plus 9, we are going to get x plus 9 equal to y times 2. We are going to get 2y. So I want to make x the subject of the formula. So this 9 will go where 2y is. We are going to have x is equal to 2y minus 9. So 9 here was a positive, here it has become a negative. So we have made x the subject of the formula. So we are going to say therefore function inverse of x equal to, so we write 2 where there is this y, we are going to substitute x because we are saying function inverse of x, then minus 9. So this is our function inverse. So we have answered our question A. Let us now move on to our question B. So our question B is saying we need to find fg of what? X. So these are a composite function because there is function of f and g. Okay. Alright, so here what we are going to do is this. We have the function of f. Okay. We have this function of f, which is x plus 9 over 2. Then we also have the function of g, which is x minus 2. So the way you can find this fgx, okay, so this g right here, this g is going to be substituted on the function of f. So the function of f is this one. So we are going to say fgx equal to, I'll write the function of f, which is this one right here, x plus 9 over 2. This is the function of f. Now on this function of f, I'm going to substitute the function of g. And which one is the function of g? It's this one right here, where we have x minus 2. So I'll substitute where? On this x right here. So I'm going to write x minus 2, just write on this x, then plus 9 over 2. Okay, then from there we just need to simplify. So x negative 2 plus 9, this will give us a positive what? 7 over 2. So this is fg of x. Okay, we have found it. So we have answered our question B. Let us now move on to our last question, which is our question C. So our question C, we need to find fg, then we have negative 5 right here. Now this one is easy because you have found the function of fg of x, which is this one right here. So I'm just going to write equal to x plus 7 over 2. Now on this one, because we are saying fg of negative 5, there is negative 5 here, and here there was x. So right where there is x, we are going to put a negative 5. So I'm just going to write negative 5 plus 7 over 2. So negative 5 plus 7, this gives us what? A 2 over 2. So 2 over 2, what's the final answer? It's a 1. So this is the answer. Now, in case you don't want to use this method to find fg of negative 5, there is another method that you can use, And this method, since you have fg, then negative 5. Okay, first find g, then negative 5. You find this one, g negative 5. So to find g negative 5, you are going to use the function of g. And the function of g is what? X minus 2. So where there is this x, you are going to put a negative 5. So it's a negative 5 minus 2. So negative 5 minus 2, it will give you negative 7. So this is the g of negative 5, this one right here. Now, we come back to the question. We need to find fg, the negative 5, equal to. So here we have found g negative 5, which is this one right here. We are just remaining with the f. So we are going to get the function of f, which is x, okay, x plus 9 over 2. So here on this x, we are going to put g negative 5, which is this one, negative 7. So I'll just write negative 7, just write it on x, plus 9 over a 2. Okay, so negative 7 plus 9 to give us 2 over 2. So 2 divided by 2 to give us a 1. So you can see even here the answer is a 1. So this one and this one, they are the same. So you can use either this method or this method, okay, to give you the same answer. So thank you so much, everybody. We've come to the end of our short presentation. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. Bye-bye.